Canva is an online photo and video editing app. It is a web-based software which you can access from a website canva.com. I have given the link in the description. On this software or in this website, you can create the photos, designs, and even you can create presentations, and you can create even eye-catching videos. So we are going to go into the detail of everything, but for all those who are not familiar with Canva, let me introduce you that what is Canva. So what is Canva? Canva is an online graphic designing software on which you can do the photo editing, you can do the video editing, you can create business cards, you can create resumes, you can create presentations, you can create anything which you can think of, planners and everything. So it is a very useful software which I think everyone should learn, and this is what actually I'm going to do in this video, that I will introduce the Canva and I will show that to the beginners that how you can use it. After the sign in, you would see this kind of an interface where your existing designs would appear. So basically the Canva has two versions, one is free and one is paid. The free version is as the word says, it is free to use, but you have to sign in with your email account or with your Google account. So you just need to give your email. You can visit the Canva from my link which is given in the description. And the pro version of Canva is $120 per year, which comes out to be $10 a month. It is for 1 to 5 people. So if you have a team of 5 people, then this pro version you can use it at the rate of $2 per month per individual. So I think it is a cheap software, but I would recommend that you start with the free version, get to know with the Canva, and then when you are comfortable, then you can go on to the pro version and buy this. Now we would come to the main topic of this video, that how a beginner can use the Canva. As I have already showed you that you can visit the Canva website from the link or canva.com. You would need to sign in, and after the sign in you would see this kind of an interface, and on the top you can see that here there are icons of presentations, social media icons, videos, marketing videos, office, and even there are many more things. You can create the book covers, you can create the wallpapers, the infographics. So it is not just a photo or a video editing software, it is a complete graphic designing software. But the good part is that you don't need any expertise or skills. There you would find pre-made templates, which most of which would be free to use. Some of them would not be. For that you will have to use the pro version, but you can start with these free version of the templates, and you can later on buy this and use it for your projects. So what can you do with Canva? My aim of making videos on this channel is to teach you how you can create and sell the digital products. And if you're not familiar with the digital products, these are basically the electronic files like the JPG, images, pictures, even the PDF files, the templates which you can create and you can sell on the websites like Etsy, Creative Fabrica, and there are many other websites. Even you can sell these things on Amazon as Kindle publishing, which I'm going to cover in the subsequent videos. But if you learn the Canva, you can earn money online. So here you can see that I have already created many designs. Since I'm using this software for quite long, so I'm just going to show you a few things what you can do with this Canva. So in order to start the Canva, you need to create a design. For that, while you can search here for what you want to create. For example, if I want to make a logo, I can search for logo, and here you would see that I would reach to this logo page where there are already pre-made logos from which I can get an inspiration, or even I can use any one out of them and I can modify them for my own project. Not all of them are free, as you can see that some of them are paid. These pro symbol and these dollar symbols are not free, but here you would see that there are some on which these symbols are not there, which means that these are free. By the way, you can also filter out this from going into the price tab and then clicking the free version, and from this time onward you would only see the free things. Or you can do create a logo from scratch by clicking the create logo. So it will open a canvas for the logo with the dimension that are suitable for logo, and towards the left side you would see the other options. But I'm just going to start from scratch, so I'll just go back to the home page, and in order to create a design you can go here on the top right and click create a design, and from here the popular options like YouTube thumbnail, Facebook post, channel art, infographics, and these are things are available. So if you want to create anything out of these, you can straight away click onto that. Or if you want to create a custom size, you can click this custom size plus icon, and here you can add the values of the width and height. So I'm just going to add the values and then click create design. So it will open up as a blank canvas, and from here on you can create your design. First of all, we can give a background color, so you need to click a blank space. From here, the background color, you can choose any of the color which you want to give it as a background, and then we would search for the elements. Within the elements you would see that there are millions of the graphic elements which you can use in your project. Just to show you some of them, let me click on this. You can resize these graphics. Some of them are animated and some of them are not. Like this thing you can create and add, and you can change the color also. You can rotate these objects, you can resize these objects. So apart from that, you can add the photos as a background also. You just need to drag and drop and the photo would automatically be added. And then you can change the photo. You can edit the photo. There are different options available. There are pre-made options. By just clicking them, you can quickly edit the photo as a background. You can also add text. There are also pre-made formats of the text. You can add these. You can resize your text, or you can add your own text which you can later on format. For example, if I have to add a title here, how to use Canva, so I can add that. I can also change the color of this text. I can also give different effects onto this text. There are many text effects available. I can also give a placeholder behind this text. I can also change the color of this placeholder. I can also animate this text by clicking the animate option, and then I have two options or two tabs, the text animation and the page animation. And the page animation, whatever I'm going to apply will be applied onto the whole canvas and all the elements, but in case of the text animation, it would only be applied onto the text which I have selected. So I'm just going to remove the page animation and select this text, and then I'm going to add this animation, which is a little fancy. So I have given the animations to all the elements, and let me now show you in the full screen that how it would look. So there are the options are endless, and this is how quickly and easily you can create the animated text and slides and photos and the videos on this Canva. So if you want to learn more about the Canva, and if you want to learn how you can create the simple digital products to sell them online and start a side hustle from where you can create a passive income and generate money, so do subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like this video.